Good morning everyone. Aloha, mabuhay. Again, welcome back to my channel. I'm your workless chef, serving your daily viral dishes. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you updated for my upcoming videos. And also, I'm encouraging everyone to please let me know your comments or suggestions. Enjoy and keep on watching. In summertime ngayon, naisip kong gumawa din ng ice cream. And ito, naisip kong gawin FUDGEE bar ice cream kasi paborito ng anak ko. So, sana magustuhan ninyo. And also, you can also add cashew nuts here. I put some cashew nuts here before I sprinkled chocolate chips. And out of 10 pieces FUDGEE bar, I was able to make 3 tubs of FUDGEE bar ice cream. Hope you like it.